self-help crew in England. That's me. And our chief of the bomb dump at the time was the H chief, big into self-help. And he wanted ceramic tile in our buildings, and I chose to do the brand new conventional maintenance supply room. There's Aaron Tepard. The chief was so happy with what we did that they had the senior enlisted advisor of the base, commander of the base, come out. They did a news story on this job that we did.
Troy's finally getting the hang of it.
Troy Lindbergh. And I don't remember the other guy's name there, but he took over self-help after the chief sent me to vault maintenance, along with Troy Lindbergh and the other guy. I just having a brain fart, can't remember his name.
We do have a couple of bad areas in the floor. One right there, along the wall, in that one space. One right there.
Well, we did this on a weekend after the conventional maintenance people took all their tools and equipment and furniture out.
We got those piece right there to sit in. Piece that was in the middle of the floor to sit in. We'll have to work on the end pieces.